Hello Amazon shoppers, this is Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about all of the must-have products for new parents on Amazon and what nursery would be complete without a glider. This one is absolutely stylish. It's in that really great gray neutral color that just goes with anything and looks really cute in a nursery. It has the Ottoman as well. That's not necessarily because the rocking chair and glider itself is so comfortable, but the Ottoman's great for if you want to put your feet up. It has little pockets in the side so you can keep magazine, book, snacks, whatever you want right on hand, and it's just super comfortable. It is easy to put together. It like comes together in under 15 minutes. The cushions are washable and you can remove them and take them right off and throw them in the wash. Really easy. This is a low noise, like no noise glider, no squeaking, nothing like that. You're gonna be really happy with this. All the comments say that this is great for small spaces. So if you have a nursery that's on the smaller side, or maybe you are just putting a glider in your bedroom and you need to make room for it, then this is gonna be a great option for you because it can easily fit into a corner and still look great and still give you that amazing comfortable rocking chair where your baby is going to be comfortable and you are going to be comfortable too. So you guys definitely put this on your registry or just go ahead and put it in your cart. Give it as a gift. Anyone is going to be happy to receive this and you're going to be happy with it too. Go ahead and put it in that cart. Order it today.